Good morning, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Wings Plus. In this case, plus another Poshmark unboxing, and this is a spoon that my partner David over there handed me because I don't know where my handy dandy key is. And I'm like, okay, I'll do that and try the edge of this thing. We'll work on that. And then, yes.
42 seconds.
Maybe I could get an assistant. Can you open that?
Sure.
Right, we were about to record. Look, we're going to do something trippy. Record the recording. There we go.
Strange Luke. That's Roger Penrose and Douglas Hofstadter mathematics. I don't know if these cell phones can handle that kind of
warp
mathematical
stuff.
space-time continuum stuff, sir.
The irony. I'm using a spoon to open my Poshmark box, which is mostly AirBnB, although some of it is clothing and shoes for participants here, both the Airbnb, the gym, and those who live and dwell here.
Yeah,
Work
this is my Google Live.
Yes.
Thank you all for watching this happen.
Yes, and this is the basement.